So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide balance on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. So on there you can see your accounts, performance, history of orders, Exness terminal, payments and wallet, insights, then your benefits, verification and terminal. So through there you can really set it up. You can see your demo and your real account. And you can do a couple of different things. So first off, you can open up your Exness terminal so you can see your web trading. So you can check out some of the stuff on there and you can see your balance right here. So on there, you can also just click on hide balance so it won't be showing. Maybe you're doing it in a public area so you don't want people to see it, or you're just having worries about someone seeing it. That's completely fine. You can hide the balance through there. Another thing that you can do is open up your personal area right here and go to your balance here, and you can also click on here to hide the balance. So through there you can see it's no longer going to be appearing for you or for someone else that logs to your account. You can also, as I said, hide balance here, so you can even see some other stuff gets blurred in the process. So you don't have to do it just there, you can also do it through here as well. So just click on here and you don't have to worry about your balance showing up after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.